Introducing the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Colorado SS, the ultimate combination of power and performance in a midsize truck. With its bold and aggressive design, the Colorado SS is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The Chevrolet Colorado has quickly climbed to the peak of our midsize truck rankings. With a fresh interior overhaul, intuitive tech features, and a robust turbocharged engine, the Colorado has raised the standards for its class. True to Chevrolet's reputation, this truck offers a variety of trim levels and optional packages, allowing it to transition from a practical work vehicle to an off-road beast. Its impressive payload and towing capabilities, coupled with ample creature comforts, make the Colorado a versatile choice for both work and play. For many buyers of full-size trucks, it all comes down to the numbers. Strong engines, hefty payload capacities, and sky-high towing capabilities often sway buyers towards larger trucks, even if they may never fully utilize this potential. However, the midsize Colorado proves itself more than capable. Despite initial skepticism about its 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine on paper, the Colorado's top-tier engine option belts out an impressive 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. This translates to a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds and a payload of 1,685 pounds, making it suitable for hauling everything from toys to friends and their gear. When not loaded up, the midsize Colorado is also far easier to handle and park in urban and suburban environments. In addition to the revamped Colorado, there's also an all-new Toyota Tacoma and an upcoming Ford Ranger on the horizon. The Tacoma, a long-standing favorite in the midsize truck market, continues to offer practicality, excellent off-road capabilities, and strong resale value. The new Ranger is also poised to make waves, with Ford already teasing the arrival of a Ranger Raptor for those seeking more performance. Chevrolet's recent redesign of the Colorado has certainly set a new standard for the segment, and we're excited to see if Toyota and Ford can rise to meet Chevy's innovations. So if you're in the market for a truck that offers the perfect balance of performance and versatility, look no further than the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado SS. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest vehicles.